Howdy, this is our Greek Rizzoni. Rizzoni is like a rice pasta, so it's like the shape of a rice, but it's pasta. It's like made by...
it's flat.
Yeah, it's very, very tasty. I'm so excited for you. Okay, so try this, okay? So we're putting 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Yeah.
I personally don't like cooking with too much oil, like you already know, but you cannot have a Greek recipe without olive oil, so...
What about a bit of butter?
Oh, you know what? She's evil. Yeah, we're trying to do a healthier version. But having said that, if I was living in Greece and cooking and my auntie saw me put 2 tablespoons, she'd be like, what are you doing? Put the half a cup in there. Put a 1 cup in there. That's what they do, seriously. They're like, add more oil. And it's like, it tastes amazing because when you dip that Greek bread in it.
Look, it doesn't matter what culture. My Silamese mother-in-law would do exactly the same if she saw me cooking and I put a skimpy little bit of oil.
Oh, yes, so what oil do they cook with?
Peanut oils.
Peanut oils.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rice bran.
This is a very simple recipe. It's one you can make in 10-15 minutes for your family.
We've got 1 onion frying away in there beautifully.
Awesome. And we'll put the carrots. 2 cups of carrots, a cup of carrots, however many you want in there. We'll just put maybe a cup in there. Actually, Shona cut this. She's so good. Look how well she cut it. So just so that it can cook easier, so that you've got a quick recipe there. Actually, I got this recipe from the Greek vegan. She's a woman in America who is a Greek vegan. Hold on, you know what? People don't realise when people think of Greeks, they think of lamb. And when you actually go to Greece, most of the food, traditional food, is vegetarian.
So how much is in here?
That's 2 cups.
2 cups.
Okay, so put 2 cups in there.
Done.
And now fry it off. Okay, so add 2 teaspoons of salt. Yeah. Or 1 teaspoon. Actually, that was 1.5 probably, or 1. Yeah, so if you want to use vegetable stock, either make your own vegetable stock, and the way you do that is whatever leftover vegetables you have, when you're cutting veggies, just put them in the freezer, and then once a week, boil them up and make your own stock. Easy. So we'll put the stock in. That's 6 cups of stock. We've got 2 bottles of it here. And there's another. So 6 cups to 2 cups of risoni, because this is going to soak up all the liquid.
So again, like a pasta.
It'll absorb it, yeah.
Yep.
And that is just oregano or mixed European type herbs. So we've got like marjoram, thyme. This is the special ingredient. Shona, do you know what this is? It's thyme.
Thyme, which I don't never have enough of.
Oh, this thing just really, the flavour of it cooked in this is awesome. Makes it taste...
Awesome.
It tastes so good. Don't pay me out. Cheeky. You.
So you need to pull it off the stalk? You can't
No,
just
you can just put
the
stalks in there, yeah.
All
but
right.
I like to take some off as well.
Rizzoni.
And then what else is in here?
That's chickpeas,
Chickpeas.
which you could just put in now if you want.
That's a can?
Yeah, 1 can.
So you want it in now?
Yep.
Sure?
Yeah, just throw it in.
Positive?
It doesn't matter. You can do it now or later. It doesn't really
We'll do it
matter.
now. Because I like one-pot wonders.
So all you do now is you just keep cooking until it soaks up. Stir it occasionally until it soaks up all the liquid, and then it becomes really thick, pastery.
Interesting.
It's like a Greek risotto. Like, you
Yeah,
know,
that's what I would
risottos,
call it.
How long do you reckon it's been cooking for?
Oh, I reckon about 15 minutes.
Yeah, around 15 minutes.
5. I bet more than 5.
It's been cooking for 15 minutes. See what's happened? It's absorbed the liquid, and that is easier than Italian risotto.
Yeah, look, I couldn't cook risotto, but
That is so easy.
Looks so delicious.
And look, you put some thyme on top. And some people want to, like in Greece, they would probably have like chicken through it or something. For winter coming up, it's such a good way to have something hearty, warm. The kids love it. And you can have some, I don't know if you want feta.
I was going to ask, what would you put on the side of that? Because my teenage boys would go, is that it?
Well, in Greece, they would have like a salad, they would have some feta, some olives, and
yeah.
they would be dipping that bread. So, yep, there you go, Greek Rizzoni. Try it. By the end of today, that will absorb all the rest of that liquid because that just keeps expanding. Are you going to try it?
I will.
Good.